Hi, this is Anthony. Thank you, firstly, for taking my lesson today. To access the class page, the easiest way, or that's the purpose of this video, is to click on the search engine up here, type my name, Novak, that's Novak, and click on my name. And then it's just a matter of going to my timetable down here and going to the class. So, for instance, it was Tuesday, period 1, click on Year 9 Maths and it will take you to the class page where you can see the message that I left for the students and also a forum where I usually leave a video presentation detailing the instructions, which you could play to the class if you wish to. One other thing that you may find very useful, and I'll just go back to the previous page, is that I've also left a seating plan in the files folder. So just simply scroll down there and there'll be a list. So for instance, here is 9 Max. It's a science class. So I have two plans, one for when they're in the lab and one for when in their normal homeroom class. So I just pretty much click on that and it will give you a visual on the location of the students for that lesson. If they're not in their correct position, you can sort of understand that they may be needed to be redirected to their normal seating positions. And thank you once again for taking my lesson.